Okay, here we have another student question that's been submitted, and again, I thought it was worthwhile. If someone is having the question, then it's very possible that others are having the same question. So here we have a problem that says, list the intercepts of the graph shown on the right. What are the x-intercepts? Select the correct choice below and fill in any answer boxes within your choice. Okay, so they're asking us here for the x-intercepts. So we need to think about what that means. An x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis at. So looking at our graph here, it looks like we have an x-intercept right here, we have another one right here, and we have another one right here. So that's what we're looking for when we talk about x-intercepts. Another way that you can look at x-intercepts is that if you have an equation, every single x-intercept has a y value of 0. And that is because every point along the x-axis has a y value of 0. For instance, this point right here would be the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, 0. This point right here would be the point 1, 0, and this point here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's true. So it looks like our three x-intercepts here are at negative 5, 0, 1, 0, and 6, 0. Now when we go to fill in our answer, you'll notice that it's only asking you for the x coordinate. It just says x equals. So all we have to fill in then are our x values of negative 5, 1, and 6. Also, when you're looking at My Math Lab, make sure that you read these like little clues here underneath your answer boxes. It says to simplify your answer if you need to, and use a comma to separate answers as needed. That's important because if you don't put a comma in between your answers, it will count it incorrect. So we're going to write in our answer box here negative 5, 1, and 6. And remember, we're going to do that separated by a comma. So I have to click on the box first, and then I'm going to type in negative 5, comma, 1, comma, and 6. And let's check our answer to see if we're correct. Absolutely, very good. Now it's asking us what are the y-intercepts. Well, the y-intercepts, if an x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, then a y-intercept would be where it crosses the y-axis. So it looks like we have a y-intercept right here. This is where it's crossing the y-axis. So this, if we were to label the point, would be 0, 1. Now that is true for every single y-intercept. We will always have an x value of 0 every single time. So if we have an equation, we could use that. But if we have the graph, we can just look at it and see where it is. So I'm going to go ahead and in my answer choice here, we do have a y-intercept. We only have one of them, and that is at the y value of 1. So I'm going to type in here a y value of 1 and then check my answer. Absolutely. So now we're done.